Top of the morning. Waiting on a fork truck right now. I think I got 7 stops total, this being stop 2. Should be an interesting day. Whole lot of hurry up and wait. And it's a bunch of fork trucks around here, but they have specific guys that handle specific shipments. So a certain person has to come unload. And yeah, that turns into 10, 20, 30 minutes on end. So the load I'm picking up today, I got off of the Curry app as I was completing another Curry run yesterday evening. It's currently 7:30 a.m. and I'm about to get loaded. And this particular run is different than the electrical supply runs that I normally do. This is actually an HVAC distribution company.
Like I said, most of this is pretty light. That's the heaviest piece by a significant margin. The rest
Yeah, I'll hand truck it. It's fine. We'll get it on there. This is gonna be a full truckload if we get it all on there.
It'll all fit on there. These will fit 3 wide on a typical box truck.
Okay, cool. So we'll get it on there.
Yeah,
that's cool. Initially in the aisle, this load looked like it would have required a semi. But now that I'm just about finishing up, that's what me and the forklift driver here was talking about. It's only about half a truckload. I'll probably take about twice this amount of furnaces. This type of load wouldn't be for pretty truckers, because I've been here at least 30 minutes already loading. So if you don't want to touch freight, yeah, don't pick this run. See, you got the pretty, then you got the gritty. Gotta have that dog in you. Good to go. I knew that was gonna happen. That took a little brain work, but it turned out fine, so. Making a video here, fellas. Hey, what's going on, man? Got some furnaces for you. So I'm gonna move because I'm gonna be here probably 30 minutes or so. And he's saying at this dock, it's gonna be a little more difficult. So it'll make more sense to move over to that one. At this point, get it off the muscle. Another one in the back. So this trans just blew a line. You can't really see in the video, but that fluid is red. And you can see that it's starting to smoke. He's been running for a little while since I got here. Maybe like 5-10 minutes ago. But yeah, one of his lines just blew. Now this is the crazy thing. If the truck continues to run without fluid, it'll ruin that entire transmission. So if I see him, I'm gonna let him know. But I don't even know where he is, because this is not a sleeper truck. That's actually a day cab. But this transmission is definitely burning up right now. So yeah, I told him that it was leaking. He was jumping in the truck. He said he was checking tires. That's why he was here. And yeah, I told him, I'm like, man, you running all type of transmission fluid out on the ground. And he was like, thanks, man. He said he stopped to check tires. That's how quick something could go wrong with these trucks. And I really ain't trying to get in this business, but I want to tell him to cut that truck off. He gonna burn that trans up. You don't want to do that. So it's currently almost 5 hours later. And this tow truck driver has been out here tapping on this semi for at least an hour. And I'm thinking a lot of the problems that he's having is being able to tow it with the transmission issue. It sounded like he was trying to unhook maybe the drive shaft. I don't know. I don't want to get to speculating, but driver's now gone. I took a nap, woke back up, and yeah, he was nowhere to be found. This tow truck was here tapping away. And he's been kind of stalled here for like an hour. So it seems that he's having some type of problems getting it out of here. 26-foot box on it.